Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 68 Camaro. Under that cowl hood is a 454, guys, hooked up to an automatic transmission. This is one sweet machine right here. Look at that blue paint just popping on this car. And again, the cowl hood's looking sweet with those white racing stripes. We got great looking chrome on the bumper. Just everything about this car is looking sweet. Now we have one other car that's the exact same color. This baby sold right away, so if you're interested in this one, you better call Tom at 248-974-9513 so we can park this dream in your driveway. Love the Cragars. Looks like BFG tires. And look at the reflections in that blue paint. It's got a light metallic in it and it is just popping. I kind of call it electric blue. It's looking sweet. As you can see, the interior's black. Door panels looking sweet. Looks like it's got new carpeting in there. The bucket seats are looking good. Back seat looks sweet. We got seat belts back there. Package tray's got a couple 6x9s. The whole interior on the car is just looking amazing. All the gauges are looking good. Staple shifter. She's a beauty. You can see these door jambs also all painted up looking good. Quarter panel straight. All those reflections looking good. Spoiler on the back's looking good. Always check out the chrome on these bezels on the tail lights. Again, the chrome on the back bumper's also looking good. All right, inside the trunk, everything in here's looking nice. Nice and clean, just like back in the day. Look at all the paint work down in here and on the bottom side of the deck lid. You always want to look at these lips here where that skin is rolled around onto the supporting frame. As you look down the side of the car, just as beautiful as the driver's side. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. So we did our homework, checked it out before we bought it. First thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and they get checked out so we can tell you all about the car when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now you can also check us out on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We have all of our inventory listed there. And you're watching us on YouTube right now, and if you want to check out more videos just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so you get a notification every time we get a cool video in. All right, we're in the Camaro now, and it is about 5 degrees and snowy and ugly outside, so we're not driving this rotisserie restored car out there today. Now, if this car does not sell before it gets nice out, I will get out and drive it. Now, I have driven this car about 2 weeks ago when it came in. I took it for a drive. Drives amazing, guys. Big block under the hood, big tires on the back. I mean, everything on the dash is looking sweet. The gauges look good, the controls look great, love the steering wheel. I mean, everything about this Camaro is badass. I love the stance, the Cragars, the blue, the stripes. Man, we can deliver it anywhere in the world. So you give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. If you want help with financing, no problem whatsoever there. We can help you out with financing too. Now, We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. And don't forget, we're close to the airport. If you wanna come see for yourself, hop on a plane, come check it out. And a lot of people can fly home that night. Stick with us, we're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this Camaro now. Man, it's pretty under here. You can see the gas tank has been painted, and you can also see the floorboards are painted the same color as the outside of the car. We got a 273 gear in here, so it's a real good highway gear. You can see the exhaust looks like it's fairly new. Flowmaster mufflers. We got a Holly fuel pump here mounted to the frame. That's an electric fuel pump, by the way. You can see everything under here is nice and clean, nicely painted. Real pretty car. I tell you, you may have to invest in some mirrors so you can show all your buddies and everybody at the car show how nice the bottom side is. We got a turbo 350 trans here. That's a 3-speed automatic. We got some long tube headers here. You can see the cross members in good shape here also. Everything up here is all painted up, looking good. We got disc brakes up front here. Looks like the ball joints were done at one time. Everything is nice and pretty up here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. I see the bottom side of an aluminum radiator. We got good looking BFGs with good looking Cragars on them. 225/60 15s. I always look at the bottom side of the front fenders and then check the back side also. I don't feel any patchwork or any dents or anything there. Looks like we got a couple of touch-ups right here in the rocker, but that's on the bottom side. You don't have to worry about it unless you put those mirrors underneath there. Of course, it looked better than about 99% of the cars out there. 275/60 15, and we got some great looking deep dish Cragars on this thing. Even the wheel wells are painted blue. Look at that. Well, we're gonna lower it down and see what's under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 90s model 454 that's been built up with some aluminum heads, aluminum intake, a big Demon carburetor on there. It's got an electric choke. It's got an MSD distributor, MSD coil there. You can see the headers from the top side here. It's got some aftermarket plug wires on it. The alternator's chrome. We got a nice chrome shroud here on the fan. I mean, everything under here is nice and clean, looking sweet, just like the rest of the car. We do have power steering, we do have power brakes. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted, the firewall's nicely painted. There's an aluminum radiator I was telling you about. We put shutoffs on all our batteries so you can shut them off when you're not using the car. We do have heater hoses going, so we do have heat in the car. Guys, this is one sweet automobile right here. She's a Camaro. She's jacked up in the back, got beautiful paint, painted on the bottom, big block under the hood. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.